Hey everyone, it's Jonathan at the Rock Shop in 311 Broadway in historic downtown Paducah where positive energy works, and this is Ask a Witch.
Hey folks, on this episode of Ask a Witch, we're very excited to have Jonathan, and I'm going to go back to popular movies and Hollywood.
Of course you are.
Of course I am. That was my research of witchcraft when I was growing
your
up.
Your research? Is that your TikTok?
Yes, my TikTok back in the 60s and 70s. But they always show that there's like a trio or three witches together to do spells or to do ritual work. Mm-hmm. So is there any basis to that?
Okay,
what's
so
that all about?
here's the thing. When we start talking about in Wicca, three plays a big part in that. Okay, we have the rule of three. You talk about the three phases of the goddess, Maiden, Mother, Crone. You have the three phases of the moon. Three is a very big number, not just in Wicca, even in like Christianity. You know, there's like the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, the Holy Trinity.
Holy Trinity, yeah.
You know, so three is a number of balance. And that's why three pops up so much. Now, as far as in Hollywood and having to have three witches to do a spell or making a coven of three, this, you know, I know in Charmed, you know, there are the three sisters in Charmed, and that was a big thing too.
Three will set us free. The power of three will set us free. The power of three will set us free. The power of three will set us free.
That's not a necessity. I do most of my spell work alone. So I think three just looks really nice on camera, I guess. I don't know. Like, maybe it balances the scene. I don't know. But that is absolutely not a necessity. Now, granted, having a circle is fun. You know, it's what we call a group of witches that get together and make magic. Okay, it's fun to get together with a group of witches and work together towards a common goal, whether that's 3 witches or 30 witches or whatever, you know. But it's not required that you have 3 people to do any kind of spell work.
No.
So that's that. Yeah.
So, no.
Thank
you.
Yes, I took a long way around. All right, guys, that was this week's episode of Ask a Witch. If you have any questions you would like the answer to that I can possibly help you with, guys, shoot us a message. Information at the bottom of the video. Light and love to all of you.